Assalamu alaikum everyone. So in this lecture I am going to create this layout, how we can create this layout with the help of HTML and the CSS. So it will be very interesting for the kids, for the students, and for the professionals, those they are interested to create this type of layout. So from here you can see that I have created one HTML file. From here you can see the only the title of the HTML file. So let's start how we can create this type of layout. So first of all you have to write down the style for the CSS purpose, because we have to divide a browser window into small section. First I am writing a header, so it will be the class name header. Its width should be 100% and height is 20%. Okay, then float left and border solid 2 pixels. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to write down the div class is equal to header. Okay, header, and then div close. Okay, just save it, and now I have to refresh it. Okay, just see this one. From here you can see that we have created the first portion of header section in this layout. Okay, then what we have to do, we have to write down the title just like that, IBA Community College Bado. So for this what we have to do, we have to write down the H1. Okay, H1 close IBA Community College Ubado. Okay, just save it, and from here refresh it. Okay, so IPA Community College Ubado is in the black font. What you have to do, we have to change the font color of IBA Community College. So for this what we have to do, we have to write down H1. Okay, H1 and color is equal to blue. Let's check it. Okay, it's working, and we want IB Community College at the center. For this what we have to do, we have to write down text align center. Okay, so we have got this one. So from this layout you can see I have write down IBA Community College, and here you can see IBA Community College Bado. Then what we have to do, we have to create the links just like as home, faculty, and so on. So for this what we have to do, we have to write down, okay, we have to write down H1 only for the font size, and then we have to write down Arif. So here you can write down the link name, just I am putting number sign and home, and here is home. Okay, from here you can see home is there, but it will be displayed at the left side. So what we have to do, we have to place at the center. For this what we have to do, we have to write down the H2. Okay, H2 just like that. For H1 we have to write down this one. So for same purpose we can copy this one. Okay, Control plus C, and here Control plus V. Okay, so here you have to write down you have to press F5. Okay, then you have to write down link for the faculty. Okay, so same procedure, you have to write down a Harif link. Okay, Harif number sign faculty. Okay, here you have to write down faculty, and here you can close it. Okay, in this way you can write down the student section. Just you have to go Control plus C and then Control plus V. Student, here is student. Okay, and if you want to give a space between home and faculty, for this you have to write down here ampersand NBSP. Just copy it okay. Then you have to copy uh, same text or same command for others, okay. So from here you can see this one, but there is underline. So for this here is underline, but in this layout there is no underline. So for this what we have to do, we have to write down the a एंकर टेक जो है ए लिखना है, ठीक है। ए मतलब एंकर टेक, इसके लिए उसके बाद आपको लिखना है टेक्स्ट डेकोरेशन नन। इससे क्या होगा, इससे ये होगा कि आपकी ये जो अंडरलाइन आ रही है ये क्या हो जाएगी, ख़त्म हो जाएगी, ओके, ये ख़त्म हो गई। अब उसके बाद हम आगे चलते हैं, लेफ़्ट साइड बनाते हैं। लेफ़्ट साइड बनाने के लिए हमें क्या करना है, सेम मेथड व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू जस्ट राइट डाउन लेफ्ट साइड, वी हैव टू क्रिएट अ क्लास, द क्लास नेम विल बी लेफ्ट साइड, and here we have to write down width should be, let's say 30%, okay, and height should be 20 plus okay 70% height, because the header height is 20% and the left side is 70%, and the remaining side will be remaining part of height will be 10%, because height will be 100% and height should be 100% and width should be 100%. For this reason I am writing height is equal to 70%, okay. Then you have to write down float left. By default the alignment will be left side, and then you have to write down border solid 2 pixels or 3 pixels, whatever you want to give, okay. And then you have to write down the div. Here you have to write down div, same method, div class is equal to left side close, okay, div close, and just you have to write down h1, okay, news alert, just save it, and here you have to press F5 or you have to reload it. You can see this one. So from here you can see, so I think here I have given the 20%, so you can give 20%. Here I am giving the width of left side 20%, okay. So then next part will be right side. We have to create this one. So for this what we have to do, we have to create a right side. For right side you have to write down right side or whatever you can give any name, कोई भी नाम दे सकते हैं, okay. Width should be 20% width and remaining is 80%. So I will give 79% or 78%. Why? Because from here you can see there is a gap, so for this reason I want to give the 78% or 79%. You can give 80%, so left side will be merged with the right side, means there will be no space, okay. So here I am putting right side width is equal to 79% and height will be the same means 70%. So here I have to write down the 70%, and then float, here I will write down right. Why? Because left side will start from left and right side will start from right, then this gap will be possible, okay. So just save it, and then you have to write down border solid, okay, 2 pixels or 3 pixels, and here you have to write down div class is equal to right side div close, okay. Here you can write anything, just like as introduction I have written in another layout. Just save it, and here you have to refresh it, see the result, okay. It looks like same, okay. So then we have to write down this link, okay. We can create this link in this section. So here you have to write down marquee. Marquee is a tag that will rotate the text, will move the text from left to right or right to left or top to bottom or bottom to top. Okay, here you have to write down job opportunities. Okay, in IBA CC Uvado. Okay, just save it, and here you have to refresh it. Okay, so here you can see this is, so here we haven't given the, I haven't given the link, so here I am giving the link. Okay, just close it and here refresh it. Okay, refresh it. Okay, then what we have to do, we have to write down last portion, that is the footer portion. For the footer portion we have to create a same method we have to apply, just like as we have applied for the left side, for we have applied for the right side. Here we have to write down footer. You can give any name. Width should be 100%. Okay, and height will be 10%. So why height will be 10%? Because here I have given 20% height to the header, 70% height to the left side, so 20 plus 70 will be 90, and remaining part will be 10%. So here I am writing 10%. In this way I can write floor, left, border, solid, 2 pixels. Okay, just save it, and then we have to write down the div tag. We have to create a division, means div tag class is equal to footer, close it, and here we have to write down h2 or h1, whatever you want to give, all. Okay, so all copyright are reserved by anyone, just like as IBA community college students. Okay, just save it, and here you have to refresh it. So in this way we have created same template or same layout. From here you can see I have already created this one, and in this lecture I have created this layout. I think it will be beneficial for you. Thanks for watching. Allah.